Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss question answer of the chapter Food Processing and Technology. It is the chapter number 5 of Home Science book of class 12. First question. Explain the following terms. First is food science. Answer. It is broad discipline based on applied basic science such as physics, chemistry, etc. It is concerned with all technical aspect of food, beginning with harvesting and ending with cooking and consumption. Next is food processing. It is transformation of agriculture or animal product into food, or from one form of food to other form of food by using physical and chemical method. Next is food technology. It is science and application of scientific as well as socio-economic knowledge and legal rules for production. Next is food spoilage. It is a process in which food item deteriorate to a point in which it is not edible to human. Next is food manufacturing. It is mass production of food product by using food technology to meet the requirement of growing people. Next question. List some old methods of food preservation followed at home, giving example and their viability in present time. Answer. Some old method of food preservation are heat treatment, sun drying, candying, salting, pickling, baking, etc. Though new methods have been developed, but old method of food preservation are still used because they are economical. For example, fermentation is used in making wine and beer. Next question. Give a brief account of development of food preservation to its present status. Answer. In 1810, canning process is given by Nicholas Appert. In 1864, pasteurization is given by Louis Pasteur. Process of treating milk to destroy germs is called pasteurization. Food preservation is initially used to meet the requirement of military need. Next question. Keeping the concept of health and wellness in mind, explain with example how food scientists are trying to enhance food values in processed and packaged food. Answer. Food scientists are responsible for safety, taste, acceptability, and nutrition of processed and packaged food. They concentrate on basic research, market research, food safety, processed and packaged food. They convert low cost food into palatable food. They study the changes in food product during processing and storage. Next question. Why do we need to process and preserve food? Answer. It converts perishable substance into longer shelf life. It converts low cost food into nutritious and palatable food. It reduces preparation and cooking time. Due to these reasons, we need to process and preserve food. Next question. Food spoilage is generally caused by bacteria. What are the 4 conditions that a bacteria need to grow and multiply? Answer. The conditions that a bacteria needs to grow and multiply are as follows. First is particular pH. Next is particular temperature, ranges between 5 to 60 degrees centigrade. Next is availability of moisture. Next is availability of oxygen. Next question. What can be done in food processing to extend shelf life? Answer. Availability of moisture should be low. Availability of oxygen should also be low. Particular pH should be low. Particular temperature should also be low. We can do all these things to extend shelf life in food processing. Next question. As a prospective food technologist, what knowledge and skill do a industry require you to have? Answer. Food technologists require knowledge and skill about food science, food chemistry, microbiology, food processing, etc. Food ingredients and their use, food packaging and labeling, analysis of raw and cooked food, ability to design and analysis, etc. Next question. How is the information on nutritional value given on the label useful? Answer. Information on nutritional value given on the label is useful in following ways. First is, it provides us knowledge about amount of nutrients present in one serving. Next is, it provides us information about exactly what is inside the package. Next is, it helps in making healthy food decision. Next is, it helps to maintain consumer safety. Next question. After the completion of 10 plus 2 examination, what is professional scope in the field of food processing and technology? Answer. There are various opportunities because there is wide range of work activity in the field of food processing and technology. After completion of 10 plus 2, one can join wage employment or start self-employment after pursuing short-term certificate offered by various institutes and Central Food Technological Research Institute. Next question. briefly explain the significance of food technology? Answer. Significance of food technology is as follows. First is it give in-depth knowledge about science and technology. Next is it develop skills for selection, storage, processing, packaging, etc. Next is it create convenient and affordable food. Next question. How has food technology affected the life of modern housewife, especially working women? Answer. Food technology has affected the life of modern housewife, especially working women, by providing instant soup, noodles, ready to make product which take less time to prepare. They are economic as they last longer. Next question. As a food manufacturer, it is mandatory to label the product, list the advice and information that should be given to the consumer on these labels. Answer. Food manufacturer should give following information to the consumer on these labels. Manufacturer's address, manufacturing date, expiry date, serving size, calories, how to use, how to store, ingredients, etc.